Hi, CLAT 2026 aspirants. Are you looking for a video that will guide you on how to prepare for CLAT 2026? Ghar baithe baithe, right? How to prepare for the exam through only self-studying? This is a perfect video you stumble across. Kindly watch the video till the end to understand how to tackle and how to ace the exam without moving an inch from a study desk. All right. Preparing for CLAT 2026 at home is not going to be a Herculean task. A lot of people have done it in the past. It is not an impossible task. But the task that needs to be conquered is how to plan the whole odyssey. Okay, you need to plan everything properly. And then planning is not enough. Executing the plan is also required. Okay, so first, I want you to do a very quick SWOT analysis. Now, CLAT is an aptitude exam. That means it is going to assess your existing skills, your existing legal reasoning skills, your existing GK skills, English skills, logical thinking skills, right? Some of us are already good at particular subjects. Okay, some of us are not. So how do we understand what are our strengths, what are our weaknesses, what should we invest time on, and what should we not invest a lot of time on? Okay, for this, you need to understand your strengths and weaknesses, and that can only be done through a quick SWOT analysis. SWOT analysis has to be preceded by a quick mock. So please give a small mock or give a previous year CLAT paper. Okay, try to understand the paper pattern, the level of difficulty, the type of questions. Solve it, check your score, and then do the SWOT analysis. What is SWOT analysis? Okay, these are my strengths, these are my weaknesses. Now, strengths are the areas where you can milk your marks from. Weaknesses are, a question that potentially need to be skipped. Or if I invest enough time, okay, these are the areas where I need to invest more time. Opportunities, okay, these are scoring areas, and threats are where my score is threatened. So these areas will navigate and will help you score best in the CLAT 2026 exam. All right. So certain strengths you need to, this is completely subjective. Now there's nothing objective strengths. I mean, for some people math is a strength, but for some it isn't. So this is a completely subjective and you have to do that. Okay. Weakness is also completely subjective. Just observe where you're falling behind. Opportunities, now this is how you improve your performance through mock tests, rapid legal article reading, case law analysis, and disciplined lifestyle. Of course, making the plan is not enough. Executing it and being consistent is the only key to be successful in the exam. Threats, be careful of excessive social media usage. I mean, these are threats in general to the journey of in the journey of your exam. Okay, self-doubt, excessive stress, like these are generalized threats. Okay, you can personalize them by solving a couple of mocks and having a red flag question. Like, this is a red flag question for me and this is a threat. No matter how many times I attempt it, I get it wrong all the time. So I'd rather skip it and not lose my marks or due to negative marking. Now, preparation. Okay, now I have distributed the preparation section wise. Okay, this is going to be a perfect consolidated video that you will need to prepare, to guide you on how to prepare for CLAT 2026 at home. Now for English, what you should be doing, okay, you should be focusing on active reading. The paper is going to be dense with words. It's going to be a big paper. It's going to be a lengthy question paper. CLAT में हर time सिर्फ RC ही होता है. हर section में सब में. That means you need to have that capacity to read words and to process those words. So you need to first start building the foundation of active reading. Read each passage carefully and engage actively with the content. Focus on understanding certain areas which are then later asked in the questions. So just reading is not enough. Active reading is enough, is required. Okay. पढ़ना काफी नहीं है. जो पढ़ रहे हो वो समझ आ भी रहा है. Ask yourself. Otherwise, that 5 minutes you just invested were also a waste. Okay, annotate. Okay, now because this is a pen and paper exam, you do have the advantage of annotating. Right? You can underline, you can mark certain things. So kindly use that advantage to the fullest. Okay, consider annotating the passage as you read. Take notes of key points, arguments, and any unfamiliar vocabulary. This can help you retain information and refer back to important details when answering questions. Okay, so it will easily help you navigate the right answer to the question, saving you a lot of time. Okay, now vocabulary buildings. Okay, you need to build your vocabulary. Vocabulary is like an ocean. Jitna karo, utna kam hai. How should you build your vocabulary? Build your vocabulary by learning new words regularly through reading flashcards or vocabulary apps. Okay, another non-negotiable is Norman Lewis Word Power Made Easy. I mean, that is a Bible for anybody who's preparing for a competitive exam which targets or assesses English language skills. Now, that has like a plethora of words, right? Solve it once, you will probably learn like 1,000 different words and probably will retain 100 of them. Do it twice. Okay, you will now retain 300 of those words. So, as many times you solve that book, you learn and you retain more words. Contextual understanding. Now, here you have an added advantage of an RC. So, that word will not be independent, it's definitely used somewhere. So, through context, also you can come to the meaning. So, you need to practice contextual meaning. How does one practice contextual meaning and understanding of the words? Always do line upar ka and do line niche ka. That's it. Use contextual clues such as surrounding words, phrase, sentences, tone, even tone, part of speech. All of this helps in quicker assistance to finding the right answer. Identifying passage structure, figure of speech questions also asked. This underlying phrase, is this a metaphor, personification, metonymy, or an oxymoron? So you should know what is a metonymy, what is oxymoron. So you need to learn at least 20, minimum 20 figures of speech to be prepared for questions like this. Alright, now how does one prepare for GK and current affairs? You need, for current affairs, you need to be on your toes throughout the journey. Okay, so you need to have regular updates. You have to stay updated with the current events or regularly reading newspaper and following reputable news websites. Please don't fall for the propaganda websites and propaganda applications. Please follow reputable websites. Okay, dedicate a specific time each day to catch up on the latest news across various domains. Diversify your sources. Explore a variety of sources to get a well-rounded understanding of current affairs. I told you, media these days could be a source of propaganda. So there could be, the news could be, unidimensional and would not be honest. So, diversifying your source for the same news will help in better understanding of the context. Don't rely solely on one source. Instead, consult multiple sources. The same thing. All right, note taking and summarizations. Please write them down. I mean, April was a hectic month. So much happened this month, right? I mean, I'll remember it this month, probably the next one. But right after the third month, I'll forget everything that happened in April. So please write these down so you can come back and revise the notes that you made for each month. All right. Take concise notes while consuming news articles or report. Summarize them so you can revise them later. Organize your notes by category or topic to facilitate quick revision when needed. Okay, so make categories. Sports related news, international news, national news, political news, election news. Okay, kindly consolidate so it's easier for you to access later. Focus study, identify the most relevant topics or themes based on exam pattern. I mean, just like vocabulary, GK is endless. The more you study, okay, you realize that or bhi padna hai, right? So kindly be strategic. Try to understand the pattern, the types of question CLAT has been asking, okay, the types of topics that it targets, and try to restrict your studying to only those topics. Focus on updates in government policy, landmark judgments, mainstream sports, and socio-political developments. Obviously, this is relevant to any exam which is testing one's current affairs. So, this is a non-negotiable. Next, how should I prepare for legal reasoning? Understanding legal concept. Legal reasoning is going to be a very alien topic. It's going to be completely unfamiliar. So, for this, you have to start from the scratch. Now, you can start by thoroughly understanding the fundamental legal concepts and principles, like basic. Okay. For example, miscellaneous laws, constitutional law, family law, law of torts, criminal law, environmental law. Like this is basic, right? Case studies इन्हीं पे बनेंगी. All right. So you need to first understand what are environmental laws, what is constitutional law, criminal law, what are law of torts. You need to study those. Then practice and application. All of these theories will be given in application form. So practice solving legal reasoning questions and case-based scenarios to develop analytical and problem-solving skills. Here, the game is in the options. If you can eliminate options and come to the right option, only then can you come closest to your dream college. Now, again, to understand and to assess the types of questions, nothing better than mock tests and previous year papers. All right. Now, usually, what happens, a lot of mock tests are designed by institutions which are not consortium. Only consortium knows what to give and what is not to be given. Okay, so these private institution mock papers could be a little further away, even though they promise they mirror it. It could be a little distant from the original, paper. So try to solve the actual paper instead of mock exams to understand the level of difficulty. But to practice, you can always go for mock papers from any institution. Current legal affairs, okay. करंट अफेयर्स काफी नहीं है, करंट लीगल अफेयर्स भी जरूरी है. ओके, एनी लीगल केसेस जिनमें कोई अपडेट आया है रिसेंटली, नीड टू कैच अप ऑन दोस एज वेल. Next, critical reasoning. Okay, this is again a very unfamiliar section. Okay, critical reasoning is this one part of our brain that has been switched off for a while now. And you need to switch it on. You need to fuel that area, and that can be only fueled through a lot of practice. Okay, how do you practice? We start with paragraph analysis. You try to understand the main idea, tone, inference, assumption. But before that, understand these terms. What is assumption? What even is inference? What is the difference between inference and conclusion? You need to understand all of those. Try to understand the question types. Strengthen and weaken को कैसे approach करें. Inference question में क्या eliminate करें. Assumption में क्या eliminate करें. क्योंकि definition क्या होती है इनकी. Need to understand all of those. Okay. Pre-thinking. Before reading the answers, making a shadow answer really helps in getting to the answer quicker. So this is a skill you need to develop beforehand. Elimination method is the quickest and the best method that gets you closest to the accurate answer. Okay, it is not just about completing the paper, it's about completing the paper on time with utmost accuracy. There is no place for tukka, no place for educated guess. And to avoid educated guess, elimination method is the best. Okay, you can eliminate options on the basis of bad options. Bennett trap, broad, alien, generalized, extreme, all of these options need to be eliminated. All right, specific strategies. How do I approach strength and weaken? How do I approach main idea question? What should I eliminate? Main idea पढ़ने का दोबारा मेरे को समझ नहीं आया, तो मैं कैसे दोबारा फटाफट से ढूंढ सकता हूँ मेन आइडिया. स्ट्रेंथ एंड वीकन में क्या एलिमिनेट कर सकता हूँ. All right, these strategies you need to learn because it is a strategical test. Consistency and precision. I told you this part has been completely switched off. You need to switch it on, and that can be only happen due to a lot of practice, through a lot of practice. So practice a lot of CR questions. Assumption identification, implicit identification, conclusion identification, main idea identification. This will test your comprehension. अच्छा, इसने अभी पूरा 500 वर्ड का पैसेज पढ़ा तो ठीक है, पढ़ा समझा कितना. Okay, all of this will be assessed through these questions. I mean, these are important skills that will be required post-admission. This is a skill that is required in every lawyer. Okay, so that is why it is so stressed upon in the CLAT exam. Now, how to prepare for quants? Okay, quants is like basic 10th grade quants aata hai. So you can start with understanding the basic percentage ratio, profit loss, basic इनके formulas क्या हैं. ठीक है, then you can do calculation practice, how to calculate faster. Okay, हर चीज को लिख के ऐड नहीं करना है. मे बी मैं अपने दिमाग में ही 87 और 60 को ऐड कर पाऊँ. Alright, so calculation practice, understanding the basics. Okay, refinement and test readiness. Okay, practice mental maths techniques to come to the answer quickly. And review strategies for approaching DI questions, identifying the key information and understanding the relationship between different data sets 2 for quick elimination of bad options. Okay. Alright, so the entire video is about how you can prepare for CLAT 2026 at home. So I have a special batch for these students who do not want to get outside their house or cannot afford to or do not have the time to. Okay, we're starting a CLAT 26 online batch. Okay, so you can join the course from anywhere. Alright, you also get so many services where you don't, if you can't afford to attend live sessions, you will also get recorded videos later. Plus, you will not be missing on mocks as well. Okay, you will get plethora of mocks, plethora of sectional tests, guidance from the best and most experienced faculties, and everything from the comfort of your home. Okay, quite a few seats available right now. So kindly apply ASAP and prepare for CLAT at home. Alright, that was it. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you found the video helpful. Kindly like, please share, please subscribe and share, but please subscribe the video first because there's a 1K special video that I've been teasing for a while now. Okay, kindly let us get to 1K so we can release that 1K special video. Thank you so much for watching.